back to my channel. My name is Roxy. If this is your first time here, I'm here with a monthly flip through of my A6 Stalogy journal. This is pretty much what I use as my memory keeper. I will do a flip through of my May section of this notebook. I have this housed in a Moterm A6 agenda cover, and this is an A6 Stalogy full size. She's getting a little thick this month. If you want to see the whole book, I did a full flip through last month, so I will link that above and below. So let's get started. This is my year in pixels where I'm keeping track of my mood. I have not filled in some of these, but these are supposed to be the same color, which is gray, and I cannot find my gray outliner, so it's not filled in just yet. This is my monthly spread, and so like I said, I'm using this for memory keeping. So this is just to keep track of things that happen. Like I ordered my Louis Vuitton bag. If you missed that video, I'll link it above and below. My dad came to visit. I just did a lot of stuff this month. Well, not a lot of stuff. It really started down here. The month started so fast, and that's how I feel like June is going. Like, it's already like the second week of June, and whew, I'm not ready. But I did kind of make a mistake over here. I did 8 boxes instead of 7, so I just colored this in with a mild liner and stuck a sticker. What bullet journaling has taught me is that sometimes you may make a mistake and not to stress over the mistake, because you can just get it to work out in the end. So I'm learning to just accept those things and figure out a way around it instead of stressing and tearing pages out and all of that. Next, I just did a little journaling about YouTube. I really want to get more active on my YouTube channel. I love uploading videos and talking to you guys. So that is pretty much what I'm saying here. I want to keep track of my subscribers. I have a goal of getting to 2K this year. My goal last year was to get to 1K, and we did it. So I'm excited to work towards 2K and to do a giveaway of some journaling stuff, some gift cards and all of that. So super excited. So if you have not already hit that subscribe button, I would love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's fun over here. I did a lot of journaling this month, a lot more than I think I usually do as far as writing. I typically do a lot of pictures, but I did some writing this month. This is like my Mother's Day right here. I love this little sticker. It's a Happy Planner rectangle sticker, and then these words with the clear background I just stuck on top, and it was such a great day, and it really was a really good day. Here is where I ordered my Louis Vuitton bag, and I just put like some colors like Louis Vuitton. I got a bicycle. I've been saving for a bicycle and wanting a bicycle for so long, and I said once my youngest learned how to ride her bike, I would get one for myself, and I did, and that's my baby. It's my favorite color, which is green, and love it. Here I did some journaling, well, not journaling, I did some planning in this month just to see what it looked like, because I was thinking about moving into either an A6 or a B6, and that's what that looks like. My dad left on this day, so he came down to visit from Michigan, and then he left, and this is just him and my kids on the day he was about to leave. Here's some more journaling. I did a half day at work, so I just wrote down like my symptoms and everything that I was feeling, because I was feeling really bad, but I think I just like stressed myself a little bit, and that's why I wasn't feeling good, because I had a lot of work due, and amazingly it caused me not to feel good and have to take off some of the days. So I am still catching up, honestly, but that's I think the last day of planning I did. Here I had something come up on this day, and I just took some notes. It was a meeting, so I just took some notes, but I'll share more about that later in the month. Here I attempted to journal. This was like I took off half a day. Wednesday and Thursday I took off, and then Friday I thought I was gonna plan, but honestly I just did what I could. I just tried to do stuff back to back, so I didn't really plan anything. I have a list here just of some journaling things I wanted to buy. Here I just did like a mood board. I did something on this day that I didn't think I could do, like I was really like apprehensive about. I drove, like I don't like driving, you guys, so I don't like driving in the city. I don't like driving in the northern states at all. So on this day I actually took a really long drive to some northern states. It was a lot of traffic, it was a long distance, and I was really proud of myself, honestly. I didn't think I could do it and I did it. So I just made a little board of some stickers that I need to use that kind of express how I felt after doing that. So that's all this is. And then here, my kids and their dad, he came back from being deployed, the military, so they saw him and they were super excited. And then here, I stuck my Mother's Day stuff back here. So these are like flowers that my kids made me in daycare for Mother's Day. And I was gonna take a picture and just stick the pictures in here, but I love being able to have their flowers in here that they actually made. And once I move out of this journal, it'll pretty much just be closed. I won't have to open it all the time. So hopefully it'll last a little bit over the years. So that is my whole month of May. And I think I want to do a video of me setting up June. I'm not sure yet. Let me know if that's something that you're interested in, seeing me set up the months. I don't typically do too much for setting up other than my monthly, but I want to actually journal every single day for the month of June. So I think I'm going to do some pre-laid out spreads for that. But thank you for watching. If you haven't already liked the video, subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it if you do so, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!